It's great to be here in Leeds today. Two of the things that I think are going to really come out are companies are really opening the books to talk about what works and doesn't work in terms of retraining and returning, but even more importantly, how they can collaborate. Leeds has all the building blocks to make a really exciting ecosystem, and I think some of that's going to start today.
It's great to be here in Leeds today because it's such a vibrant event. There's lots of people here and they're all interested in making returners programs and retraining work. That's key for me. If we work together in this region, and I think there's some great collaboration opportunities that I want to take forward after today.
I really enjoy working with TTC. It's an organisation that doesn't just want to talk, it wants to make a difference, and it wants to take the lessons of what we learn from the individual days and share them as best practice across the country. I think it's even more interesting up here in the north. There's a real energy and a real buzz around the discussions that we're having, be it about inclusivity, about returners, and about getting women back into tech.
Supporting returners and retraining, it's all about getting the right balance of skills back into the firm. We're not just all about technology, it's soft skills, it's about how we use it, it's about our people as well. Today's event with the Tech Talent Charter was absolutely fantastic. Such a wide range of people in the room who are all perfectly committed to building diversity, getting more returners back into their different companies. So many ideas were generated, definitely some that we can take away and use at Accenture.
I think the useful thing that the TTC has done today is bring together people from recruitment, people who are looking at specific programs, and then companies who are hiring and running programs about diversity, and seeing how all of those points in the chain interact and interrelate and what can be done in a holistic way. I think this event represents an opportunity to take that view and maybe look at solutions in that broadest possible context.
For us, it's really important that returner programs are accessible, they are inclusive, and that they are recruiting a diverse range of people. I think lots of returner programs are really starting to realise that they need to widen the net and make what they're doing a little bit more accessible, change what they're doing slightly, and also really understand the importance of the workplace, being flexible, being inclusive and being accessible to a range of diverse people, not just mothers but parents, people with various different responsibilities. And at TechMums we work with companies to make sure that anyone going back into work is prepared, is confident and is ready.